Dealing with the Claude Code Qwen35 API connection failed error can be incredibly frustrating. I've personally navigated these exact issues, dedicating time to testing various solutions. I've now found multiple reliable ways to resolve these persistent problems, and I'm eager to share them with you right now. This video will show you exactly how to fix Claude Code Qwen35 API connection failed error once and for all. First, we tackle network and basic checks. An API connection needs a solid internet path. If your home network is shaky or your computer settings are off, data can't reach the Qwen35 API servers. These steps make sure your local connection is clear. Next, we look at your API key and configuration. Think of an API as a locked door. You need the right key, your API key, and the correct address, the endpoint. If these are wrong or old, the door stays shut and your connection fails. Then, we check the server status and your software. Sometimes, the problem isn't with your setup. The Qwen35 API server might be down or your Claude Code program could be out of date. Making sure everything is current helps you connect smoothly. Finally, we dive into system and environment settings. Your computer's own security, like firewalls or its internal clock, can block connections. These deeper system checks ensure nothing on your machine is stopping your API calls.